Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a custom field in the cart price and save the data and allow us to check whether it is app only or the web only. So we are trying to make the coupon code which is responsible for the app or the mobile. If you get some kind of any client you want says that I want something like this, so this is the tutorial for those person who want to add the custom field on the card price rule and add the check accordingly, right? So in the previous video what we have done the restrict the guest checkout user to not apply for the uh, to just restrict whether if one time if he applied for the coupon code, next time he will not going to apply it, correct? Now we have created the user. If the coupon is created for the web only, that means that coupon code is not applied for the app. Okay, so if it is web, then it should be applied. If it is for the app, it should not be applied the same coupon code. So we will restrict here difference between the application, mobile application or the web application. Okay, so we had so for that reason we have created this one. So let's begin the tutorial. So how we are going to create this custom field? So let's go to the tutorial. So we have no, this is the base one, project community app code. So coupon extended we have already made in the previous video, right? So now we are going to add a custom field over the card price. So for that reason, what we have to do is we have to go for the setup, upgrade schema. So here I am adding a small, you can say a custom field, like custom no custom field, a database field, right? So is app is the database field that we are adding into the database, so that you can see that when you run this upgrade script, you will get to know that it will give you the new field into the database. So here I'm adding this in this sales rule. So you can see that in the sales rule we have the field that is app, whether it is 0 or 1 boolean, correct? For this reason, if you add this one, so it will create a field with the name is app into the database, right? So let's move to the next part. After this we have view. Okay, admin html layout. So layout that have the sales rule promo code index.xml. So basically I want to show into the index page also, like here you can see if I go to the back, here you can see that I want to add the website or coupon app also, whether it is web only. If it is app I can filter it out. App only it is. If it is web, I can search the filter out also. So I'm also overriding this sales form also. Okay, so that reason I have just copied the full vendor xml and put it into my extension and try to rewrite it. Okay, so you can see that we have the this block I have added, that is our app options, whether web or app. Okay, if app is 1 and web is 0, so I am using filtering it over it, and website this is the default one. Okay, just I am adding this block whether it is app or whether it is mobile. Okay, and after that we have the UI component. UI component means like in the sale like the form, we are just adding a field into the form, so we are using sales rule form.xml. And in this xml what we are trying to add, we have added is app method. And you can see that we have the whether it is true or false, on the basis of it we have added, right? That is data type, we have added form box toggle. You can see that we have added the toggle button over here. See, we have a toggle button, app toggle button, correct? After doing this it will app this one. And you can see that if I enable it and save it and go and check again, this test 90 enable. Okay, okay, it is filtering, reset. Shop 90 enable, shop 90 disable. Check, shop 90 disable. Okay, so it is saving the database, and you can see that in the database, you can see that shop 90 enable disable. Where is shop 90 in the top? 0. Okay, if I go and enable it, save it, check it, enable it, right? So this is saving into the database also at the same time, so you can use it anywhere, right? So this is our step that we have done, and on the this one we have already set it out, whether it is app, mobile, and something like this we added. Now we are going to use it. Okay, so let's dive into the code part of the previous module. We have already discussed about the coupon code restriction, so we are extended it. Okay, so let's go to the plugin, restrict coupon code, and here we have mentioned if rule get data is app equal to 1. Equal to 1 means whether it is mobile, then we will return that the coupon code is not applied. Okay, so let's go to the front end and let's see the behavior. So I'm going to add a product right here. So I'm going to add the product. It's not adding, or the product is out of stock. Give me a second. Quantity left. Is there something in console or network? Let's run the commands also. Maybe permissions we don't have given. We have already run the cache flush, cache flush. Let me add the permissions also. This is done. Reload this, and you can see that the cart is already there. So I make it at 1, update it. Okay, go to proceed with the checkout. So I'm putting the any of the email Raj 34 at the rate cleanator.com. Okay. 5 to phone number, anything. Proceed. Let's check the coupon code. Is there any missing? Okay, check the coupon code first. So I'm going to use mobile 90 and make the date availability 5 coupon. Go today. Today is not 10, today is 11. Okay, so mobile 90 is for mobile only. Okay, save it and go to the front end and check mobile. It's mobile 90 or something. Mobile 90. Okay, mobile 90. Coupon code is isn't valid, correct? So we are that is for that's basically for the mobile, so it's not going to apply, right? And if I go that is for the, okay, so we are going to create a coupon code which is applicable for the web. We can add web 90, and we can apply for this one whole specific coupon for one, and this is shutdown. We can say actions, we have percentage of discount coupon quantity to be one, and save it. Okay, so let's go and check web 90 is applicable or not. Web 90 apply the discount. It's not applying. Why? Make it 10, save. Reindex, can we can do the reindex also, and do one more command, then we can run. Okay, let's apply it. You can see that your coupon was successfully applied. That means our coupon is for the web only, correct? So let's place the order. This is done. And what the information we have done for the sales orders, because we need to retry again, it should not apply for the same one, that is mobile 90. Okay, let's continue the shopping. I think now it will not going to apply it. Let's add the product demo. This is for the guest only, we are doing the guest part. After that we will go with the logged in. Okay, now we are going to add the mobile 90. Previously what we have, I think we have done the web 90. Yes, that's perfect. That means once it applied, it never applied again. Okay, so that is working. So next we are going to do with the uh, logged in customer. So let's add the check over here. So let's logged in, sign in with the any of the account that we have. No, so we have signed in with the account, and let's add the check over here. Is data get app is this? Here we have mentioned, if we don't have the customer ID, if don't have the customer ID and code billing address and the get email. Okay, so we can put the else condition. If it is customer ID, and then we can check the mobile application again. If the is app is one, then return the false, else it will apply the coupon code. So we have added this one, and let's check which have the mobile coupon, that is mobile 90. So let's add a cart. So it should not applied over here. Mobile 90, the coupon code is valid. So let's take the next one, that is web 90, which is basically for the web. Web 90 should apply. Coupon code is applied and we can place the order. But now we can not apply this same coupon at the, let's take a look also, because I have restricted for the one only. So it can apply, it can only apply for the one coupon. And the, let's add the web 90 again, web 90. So it will not apply it right now, the coupon isn't verified. Okay, so this is the whole tutorial, whether for the coupon code is applicable for the web or the mobile app. So you can play with it and you can do that role. Okay, so I hope you liked the video, and hope you were able to do the such kind of stuff with your card price tool, right? If you have any issues, just let me know in the comment box. Please do like, share, and comment so that I can be motivated and upload more videos as on Magento or other platforms. Thank you so much. Have a great day.